Seeing, level up your life. But that info goes against your nature, you know.